Hello, lovely people. Welcome to Lolly Queen Zone, and I'm Lolly. Well, I am showing you a very simple way you can make your Konkonte or Abetel or Chris Brown face the wall without lots of stress. Usually when we are making Konkonte, we would boil water and then put the flour in it, and unfortunately, most of them become lumpy, especially if you are not very experienced preparing it, and you can get powder everywhere in your hair, all around you are going to create a lot of mess, and you can get burns. This particular video aims to save you all that stress, so let's stay tuned. So instead of boiling water and going through that stress, do this. Just mix your cassava flour with cold water and set it on fire. Stir consistently to prevent it from becoming lumpy. You are making it as though you're doing Tom Brown. So you will just keep on stirring in one direction. And then when it starts thickening up, you want, kind of drive it to the sides. If it becomes hard at any point, just add water, cover it, and allow it to boil for a while, then mix it together. And you can keep on adding water so you get your preferred consistency. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day. Bye bye. I love you so very much.